are in Heraklion.
Thank you very much. Good night. Bye-bye.
Kind of want to Oh, here's a good place. Oh man. Shit. What is it with these people? Boy, she kind of dead on the. Well, I do too, but I didn't mind just, you know, walking around. I mean, I got a video station. I got a YouTube channel I have to keep up with. Well, never too. You want to go walk? It's cute. Where? I don't like to go, I think. I also don't, well, I don't think the the vegetarian thing is caught on here. Oh, see, so we were just down here, the meat lounge.